Hello. Hello, my dear students. These are the problems that we did not get the chance to work on last night. 82 is better than 84 on page 205, so I'm changing it to 82. We did this problem, I think, in class. We have a boiling pot of water is removed from a stove top and allowed to cool. So we have the temperature in degrees Celsius, they say, and T is in minutes. And the formula is given as 22 plus 78e to negative 0.00401t. And I'm only interested in two questions here. What was the original temperature? Of course, when t equals 0, that's the original. We have to find t of 0. And what was the water temperature after 15 minutes? Same thing, when t equals 15. And I'm sure you can plug this in the graphing calculator. Be careful, this is very easy because this is 0, e to 0 is 1, so 22 plus 78 is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that's one problem down. Then the next one was 13 on 216. Let's see, what was that? 13 on 216. We wanted to differentiate y equals natural log of 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. So remember the formulas, please. Y prime is 1 over 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 times the inner function prime, which is 6x plus 2. That was 13. Now 7. Also on 216, we have y equals x to the 6 times natural log x. Notice that this is a product. Please don't miss that. It's a crucial situation because if we don't apply the product rule, nothing is correct. So then y prime will be 6x to the 5th times natural log x plus x to the 6th times 1 over x. There is no inner function prime because it's x. I will simplify and I get x to the 5th. I will factor out x to the 5th from both, and I get 6 natural log x plus 1. And that was 7. And now let's look at 6 on page 257. 257, 59, 58, 257. And we picked 6. Okay, and that is f of x equals 3e to the x natural log x. Again, we have to notice that this is a product. So then f prime of x will be the first function prime, 3 to the x, times natural log x plus the first function times the second function prime. All we can do is just factor out 3 to e. 3 times e to the x, natural log x plus 1 over x. That's it. So we looked at this, and this, and we have here one more. 3 on 364. 365, 4, 361, 364. 365, 364. Okay, 3. So we have y equals 2x squared plus x. They're asking us to find dy over dt when x equals negative 3 and dx over dt equals 2. This means that both functions, both x and y, are functions of time. So careful how we differentiate. This is dy over dt. This is 4 times x times the inner function prime. And this is simply dx over dt. We're asked to find this. Okay, it's already solved when x equals negative 3 and dx over dt equals 2. So I can continue. Better not. Let's just write it again. So 4 times negative 3, negative 12, times 2 plus 2. So negative 24 plus 2 is negative 22. Okay, so that is what we missed last night. Thank you so much.